Hi guys, it's Ray. Today I have a PR box from Teckwrap and we're going to get into it, and then hopefully the next video will be putting this to use. So let's see what we got. Open the box up. Teckwrap Crafts. They always send awesome products. And their new PR packaging, or their last couple boxes, have been gorgeous. And this one looks to be just as nice. It's wrapped in plastic, but here it is. They have all of the socials and a QR code to go to the website. Teckwrap Craft. Top. Alright, so this is their line of pearl vinyls. So let's get into it. There is a roll of transfer tape for vinyl. This is a different colored one than I've had before, and we'll just run through the colors. This one is colorful pearl pink, and these are permanent adhesive vinyls. So I'm going to open them up and hopefully you can see. I'm going to open a couple of them. I won't open every single one. I want you to be able to see the pearl a little bit clearer than with the wrapping on it. Problem is always once I open these and I don't have the label, I can never remember what color was what. But these are really pretty. They have like an opalescent effect that is making it look pearlized. You can see it best over here where I'm getting the light in the window. So these are absolutely gorgeous. And again, they are permanent vinyl. So next is the colorful pearl orange. Maybe if I just peel the wrapping back, we can get a better shot. And these don't have a protective topping on them like some of the Teckwrap vinyls. So this is a lilac. It's a little bit different than the pink. It's to the pastel purple side. And then we have a white. I realized I didn't open the lilac. I'm sorry. I'm kind of curious how the white looks fully opened. So we'll do that one too. Oh yeah, it picks up a ton of the pastel-y colors. See the pinks and blues. It's it almost feels a little bit textured. And this one is really cool. This looks like an oil slick, but they are calling it black. But wow, that is pretty cool. I didn't even know this one was an option. So this is definitely oil slick. Look at that one. It was not my intent to put this on a cup today, but we may be putting this on a cup today as well. I'm going to stick with my original plan for the pastel-y ones, but This is pearl blue. The wrapping is sticking to me. Very pretty. Pearl yellow. Also very pretty. It does have the pink and the blue in it. I just don't think it's coming through to you with the wrapping on it. And it also almost all has a little bit of like an oil slick effect in the pearl, which I don't think there's any way to convey on camera. It does feel like a relatively thin vinyl, which there's nothing wrong with that. It should make it really nice to cut, in fact. And this one is Pearl Tiffany, which is beautiful and definitely going to be highlighted on the first cup we do. I feel like I've now unwrapped half of these and I should have just gone ahead and unwrapped all of them. This one is beautiful. So that is the entire lineup that they sent me. All of these gorgeous vinyls. So what they did ask me to do was get this on a tumbler, which is what I would most likely use it for anyways, but they said they've had some questions about how the pearl holds up visibility wise under epoxy. So I'm gonna pick 2 or 3 or 4 of these colors, and I'm gonna pick out a decal first, and we're going to get a cup made up for the next video and get it under epoxy. And probably gonna be one after that where I use this because this is just beautiful. And I'll probably just do like a full wrap of just this on its own because I think it's going to make a stunning cup. So that is it. Teckwrap Crafts colorful pearl vinyls. And I will see you tomorrow, hopefully, with the first tumbler.